My name's Judith Harrison. I'm a Maiawali person, and this is where I come from. This is my country. Bush Heritage have invited me out here because they have found a rare night parrot.
It's been missing for a long time. We've known and had elusive sightings that perhaps it exists. To finally now have it confirmed that it actually exists is very exciting, not just in Australia but internationally.
Feral cats are probably the largest threat to the night parrot. The other large threat is fire, but it's something that can be managed on their site. Cats, however, being a highly intelligent, very mobile animal with really good night vision themselves, are probably the largest threat that the night parrot faces on this site.
The Maiawali people call the night parrot the Pullen Pullen bird. So Bush Heritage have now asked, as a traditional owner group, could they name the reserve the Pullen Pullen Reserve on behalf of the Maiawali people. So we're very happy about that.